Sneezing is more than just a reflex. It's your body's way of protecting itself. Did you know that the average sneeze can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. When you sneeze, your body expels about 100,000 tiny droplets filled with germs. Yikes! This rapid release serves as a defense mechanism, clearing irritants from your nasal passages. Interestingly, some people even have a condition called photic sneezing, where bright light triggers their sneezes. So next time someone says "bless you," remember that it's not just politeness, it's recognition of an impressive biological event.